It is September 1st, 2023, and we are going back up to check the elevator modernization if it's complete at City Hall. There you go. I think it's done. Let's check this out. It's done. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Look at this. They put in a new door. Used to be a Dover. Wow. Oh, just new equipment. Full elevator cab replacement. Holy crap. Look at this, people. Wow. And there's a voice. Just to give you an idea, this used to be wood. Out of the way. So we have the first floor here. Sorry, Tatiana. It's the elevator equipment room. This used to be Relay Logic when it was a Dover. But look at, I mean, way better. 3? Guys, I'm just really excited about this. So they put in new inner doors, but the outer doors are still original. Oh, actually, this is still hydraulic. I guess they just replaced the hydraulic motor on it. And a new door operator. Yeah. Guys, this is literally all new equipment. Even these doors, they got new brackets on them. Everything has been replaced. This is a good mod. One. But let's try the door hold. Okay, that's cool. Wow. This is a good mod. This was worth filming. I think we need to do another ride on this with a camera. Here we go. Yeah, this is not the original motor. Let's go down to 2. Wow. And we're here on 2. Holy crap. This was cool.